Hello everybody, my name is John Salazar. In this case, in teaching English for specific purposes course, in the initial activity, task 1, learning about us. In this video, I must record the following information. Task 1, personal introduction. My name is John Freddy Salazar, I'm 44 years old. I was born in Palmira Valle, but I live in the Loma town, Cesar, 23 years ago. This is a great pleasure for me to be sharing this space with you all and that we can learn and exchange different knowledge each other. I belong to the SEAT Valledupar and currently I enroll in my last semester of Bachelor's in English as a foreign language. Next year I'm gonna take a specialization in distant higher education as a great option. And in accordance with the expectation I have about this course are to capture all the knowledge possible in relation to this great subject, both from the tutor and from my classmates. Second one, learning all about these important concepts such as teaching English for specific purposes, since it will help us and facilitate our work later as a future teacher that we become very soon. And finally, I consider this course will help me to improve my pedagogical work, what is so important, is so great. My contact data are email freddysalacorrea2110@hotmail.com, cell phone and WhatsApp number 315-365-HHH9, and my Skype account live Freddy Sala Correa 2110. Task 2. Answer and questions. The first question says, according to the course description, what could your personal goal be while completing the course and why? In my viewpoint, my personal goal will be to improve all my methodologies and strategies to teach and share all the knowledge about this great language, taking into account what I've learned during this process, since the course not only focuses on studying skills, but also in other central courses of ESP. The second question, according to the course contents, how do you think the course will help you to improve your teaching competencies? This course is going to be so useful for me due to it will help me to improve all my methodologies and strategies, and at the same time I become an innovative teacher to teach and share all the knowledge about this great language in different contexts. And in addition, it will help me to develop my pedagogical work having a critical and reflective thinking. Number 3. According to the course contents, what are the 5 topics you like the most and why? The contents that I like the most are the origin of ESP. I like this topic due of if this is the topic what we are going to be watching along a great part of the course, then I consider that it's so relevant to know its origin. Development of ESP. How is important now in the origin is too important to know how ESP has development throughout the time and how it has help it to teach language in different contexts. Needs analysis. This topic is so interesting since if we know the real needs through the analysis, at the same time we will know what strategies and methodologies must to implement. Material design and materials evaluation. These last 2 topics are so relevant at the moment to teach this language, but also at the moment to evaluate the respective outcomes that we have obtained through this process. Number 4. According to the course contents, how does ESP relate to your language learning experience? I consider the ESP is related to my learning language experience since it will help me to discover some areas of my brain which could be so important in my learning process. And the last one questions. Have you been enrolling in an ESP course in the past? If so, which one? What did you like or didn't like about it? Really not. I've not been enrolling in an ESP course before, but reading a little about it in this activity, it looks and sounds so interesting. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching this video. Blessings. Bye.